What if I told you that owners of Samsung's newest foldables in India, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6, can now be among the first to try out the company's upcoming One UI 8.0 software built on Android 16? This is not just a small patch or a routine security fix. It's a major upgrade that promises new features, design changes, and improvements across the board. The beta program opened in India just a day after it launched in South Korea and the UK, but there's already a bit of urgency because the available slots appear to be filling up quickly. That means if you're eager to test the update before everyone else, you might have to act fast or risk missing your chance until Samsung adds more spaces. The update comes with firmware version F7 for 1BXXU-ZYH4 for the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and F956BXXU-ZYH4 for the Galaxy Z Fold 6, weighing in at a sizable 3 GB. Alongside all the new software changes, it also brings the August 2025 security patch, ensuring your device has the most recent protection against potential threats. Installing it is fairly straightforward if you've never joined a beta before. First, you'll need to download the Samsung Members app from the Galaxy Store or the Google Play Store. Once it's on your phone, open the app and sign in with the same Samsung account you used to set up your Galaxy Z Flip 6 or Galaxy Z Fold 6. On the app's home screen, you should see a banner for the One UI 8 beta program. Tap it, read the details, and complete your registration. After you're successfully enrolled, go to your phone's settings, select Software Update, then tap Download and Install. When the update finishes downloading, hit Install Now, and your device will restart after a few minutes. When it powers back on, you'll be running the beta version of One UI 8.0. As exciting as this sounds, it's important to keep in mind that beta versions aren't perfect. They're designed for testing and may include bugs, performance issues, or incomplete features. Samsung even recommends avoiding this update if the device you own is your main everyday phone, since any issues could disrupt your normal use. However, for those who don't mind occasional glitches, this is a great way to see what's next and even have a say in improving it by sending feedback through the Samsung Members app. This launch in India comes alongside the One UI 8 beta rollout for the Galaxy S24 series in the same region, and there's a strong possibility that the USA might see the update for both the S24 lineup and the latest foldables as soon as today. Samsung's plan doesn't stop here. The company has already announced that next month the beta program will extend to the Galaxy S23 series, Galaxy Z Flip 5, and Galaxy Z Fold 5, meaning more users will soon get early access to the update. The staggered rollout not only lets Samsung manage feedback more efficiently, but also helps make sure the final, stable release is polished and reliable by the time it reaches the wider public. For now, if you're in India and own the Galaxy Z Flip 6 or Galaxy Z Fold 6, this could be your chance to step ahead and test One UI 8.0 before most users in the world. Just remember, this isn't the final version, so patience and feedback are key. Would you install the beta now or wait for the polished release? Share your thoughts, and if you found this update useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more simple, clear, and fact-filled tech news.